Do you follow our news? Then you surely know about the new extruder developed for tannery waste processing. In spring, we tested the new extruder and processed the chrome-tanned leather waste. At the same time, it was announced that we started the project for a custom design extruder, which would process the customer's specific raw materials. Today, we proudly present the new extruder model, designed specifically for tannery waste processing. What are the latest improvements in the extruder design? First of all, the new model features a side feed hopper, which ensures not only convenience, but also reliable operation. Secondly, in order to receive the end product of a proper quality, a number of adjustments were made inside the extruder barrel. Tannery waste is a lightweight, non-free-running material which is very difficult to process in an extruder with a regular screw feeder. However, this material is by 50% protein, and this makes it extremely valuable for animal feed industry. According to our customer, conversion of tannery waste into feed requires special preliminary treatment of the raw material. The joint efforts of our product engineers resulted in a new extruder design, which now allows the customer to produce organic feed protein.